Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and this video is all about the Samsung Galaxy S11. Yes, it is that time already. Leaks have already started to surface for the new Galaxy S lineup. So let's go ahead and go over what we know so far, starting with the codename Hubble for the S11 that was leaked earlier this week. And if you don't know what Hubble is, it's a space telescope used to capture photos of planets and stars. Now, of course, the S11 isn't going to have a space telescope, but this pretty much confirms 5 times optical zoom and astrophotography features for the S11 family. And Samsung has officially trademarked the terms space zoom, which also pretty much confirms this information. And it's not just your regular zoom, it's called space zoom, which they are describing as zooming in without losing the image quality and detail. So Samsung is really stepping it up big this time around with the camera. And the cameras on the S10 are already great and some of the best cameras that you can get in a device right now. So I can only imagine how great these are going to be, especially with a 108 megapixel sensor, improved zoom features, and an even better night mode. But of course, this information is all based on leaks and rumors, so we're just gonna have to wait and see when the device finally releases. But aside from the cameras, Samsung will most likely have a higher refresh rate on the S11 display. It could be around 90 Hz or even 120 Hz. And to power an amazing high refresh rate display like this, you need more power, and Samsung knows this. So starting with the smaller Galaxy S11e, which is the cheapest model, leaks show that it's rocking a battery size around 3,900 milliamps, almost 4,000 milliamps. And that's the cheapest model. Then the regular S11 could come with a 4,400 milliamp battery, whereas the S11 Plus, according to Leakster Ice Universe, could rock a battery size up to 5,000 milliamps. Yes, you heard it, 5,000 milliamps. This could be the biggest battery size we have ever seen on a Galaxy S flagship phone. The device could possibly be a bit thicker because of this, but honestly for me, I do not mind this at all because who does not want more power in their device? Samsung is also going to bring a lot of software changes as well with One UI 2.0. It's going to be a really smooth experience, especially with that higher refresh rate display. But this is what we got so far. Honestly, I am super excited and I can't wait to see what Samsung is going to bring to the table with the new Galaxy S11 series. They are definitely making some great improvements, but y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What are you most excited for with the S11 lineup, and what are some things you would like to see in these devices? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up if you did like this video and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all on the next one. Peace out.